Okay, quick little video. We just took them into Walmart and let them pick what they wanted, and they ended up getting for real pet.
And the squirrel's mine. Uncle and my.
That one's Aunt Chloe's. The puppy's for Chloe. Let's see what it does. You can touch him, and I think his eyes blink too.
Yeah.
So he's the little puppy, the good one.
Yeah, and that's a big puppy.
And this one's Anna Squirrel. What do you do?
Bunny, my bunny.
Put my back. Okay, so we got Squirrel. And then Chloe's puppy.
I think.
And Anna got the bunny.
Yeah.
He like hops.
Yeah, he hops. The puppy started walking.
Oh, puppy's doing stuff again. And I picked up a couple of little cute shirts.
Oh, bunny.
And
That's my brown bunny. Yeah.
and these little squishy little soccer ball deals. You got your little squishy balls?
Yeah, I got the little squish.
Hey, all these toys and the balls, that's all from Grandma. She bought you all that. Okay?
No, the big store bought me all that.
The big store? Hey, remember we got that check today? Remember Daddy showed you? And we have to take it to the bank? That's what it's for. Okay? So Grandma wanted you to have a good birthday. Okay? So this is birthday presents from when you had your birthday, okay? Can you tell Grandma thank you?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you ready to play with toys?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see that. Did you just pull a piece of that out? Oh, okay, no problem. Okay.
The bunny is mine and the squirrel is mine.
Bunny's yours and squirrel is yours, huh? I might actually have to stop and start this, because to get these out of here is probably going to be a headache. So, alright.